Hello everyone. Today I will ask you so many questions, and I have realized that because of that I have been talking with the real people last 8 to 9 months, and I got much experience from there. And when we start your conversation, now what they ask first, what can be his question? So if you wanna know that, if you wanna learn what can be his question, if you wanna prepare before talking with him or with her, so I'm asking to you and try to give answer all the questions. I will ask you some basic to advanced questions. Okay, so listen, the first question is that how old are you, where are you from, what are you pursuing, for living a happy life what do you do, what is your passion, what is your occupation, and where are you from, what is your hobby, how do you usually spend your time, and when do you wake up, and what is your favorite sport you like to do, or you like to play, and what is the biggest goal you have been achieving, what do you want to become in your life, for what reason you are improving your communication skill, what is your dream job, what is your travel dream destination, what is your travel dream destination, and exactly what do you wanna achieve in your life, what is your strength, what is your weakness, what's make you feel happy, do you believe in the destiny, what is the biggest lesson you have learned, and what can be a biggest advice you have heard, you have get from others, what was that, who inspired you. Usually when you wake up in the morning, first thing what do you do, what kinds of weather do you like most, how do you utilize your time, do you like online shopping or offline shopping, honestly who inspire you in your life, what's keep you motivated to improve your communication skills, can you introduce yourself, do you like to read book, basically which types of book do you like to read, have you ever felt lonely struck in your life, if yes then what was the reason, can you what do you do usually on Sunday, what's make you laugh no matter what, and honestly bro you can tell me what is your favorite app, the app is still in your device, and if you like them, so what is the reason, why are you keeping, so I hope this is the all important question people always ask you. As I told you, I have been talking with the real people 8 to 9 months and I got some experience, especially when you talk some stringent people now at the time. I promise that they will ask you related this question. So I hope you learn something new. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos. So thank you.